What's up, Fjockers? I thought I'd give you an update on the Shinko 244 tires. I get a lot of questions about the sizing and stuff, but what I really want to show you, and we'll touch the sizing later on in the video, but what I want to show you is how well they are wearing. So remember, I've got forks that are 5 pounds less weight than the stock forks, but I got a 10-something pound battery in back here. I'm 180. Everything else is basically stock. The handlebars might weigh a pound or more because they're not aluminum like the stock ones are. But the tires are wearing really good. And I have owned them. I've had them on the bike for 10 and a half months. And I've got 2,300 miles on these tires. No one's getting 2,300 miles on those stock Innova piece of shit tires. So let's take some close-ups of this and let me show you the front and the rear. We know that GoPros don't do close-ups well, so I'll take some close-ups of the tire. But look at all that tread. Now, let me get your measurement right here in the middle between these two. That's interesting. They kind of got a wear to them, almost like this is at an angle. I'll get you a side picture of that right here. I'll get you a couple of them. It's almost like they're not wearing perfectly flat, which is probably normal. Anybody knows anything about tires. But here we go. Let's do this again. I'm going to take this knob here in the middle and I'm going to measure it on the front of it and on the back of it because I think they're different. Ready? Here we go. And let's call that 10, almost 11. And then at the back, I am at 7.5. So just in that little bit of thing, they wear a little bit much. But that's still a lot of tread. And then, check this out. On the back side, side, you know, where you're not riding too much, if at all, I'm at 11. But they're wearing good. Now another thing I can tell you, let's go around to the back. Actually, the back feels and looks a little bit smoother. So let's measure let's take this one right here in the middle and let's measure that at the back. Now we went front last time, so let's go to the front. Right there. And I'm gonna call that 10. And then at the back, I call that about 7. So let me take some pictures that you can see of the tread and how well the rear is wearing. Now, one thing I want you to see is, because the back, you know, it gets skidded a few times every now and then. I still do it. Here's a picture of it from the profile, close up. It's still got a lot of round to it. Now, here's something you can definitely tell. Right here, I don't ride enough that far down to where that has smoothed out. It's kind of like a wear indicator. Let's see if it's that way on the front too. Yep, same thing on the front. Tires, yeah, I like the tires. Tires are good. I can tell you this. And the videos are in there. You just gotta search on my channel. I wiped out on video 4 times with those stock Innova tires. Since these are on, I've never wiped out once, never been down. The bike has not fallen for any reason. And lately, I've been taking some turns where it's not gravel, if you know what I mean, where it's paved well and it's smooth. I've been pushing the lean angle just to see how far this thing would go before I would even feel like it. Man, naturally it pedals up. But it's still got traction. I like these tires. They're wearing very good. Motorcycle riders, you know that our back tire will flatten out as it starts to age. These are motorcycle tires. They got the same thing. I expect the rear to do that too. At that time, I would not rotate them. If you're going to rotate them, now would be a good time to rotate them at 2,300 miles. Sizing. The Juice Bike tires, if you look at what on the tread, it says 20 by 4 1/4. Measure it. There's no 4 1/4. You're barely getting 4 on the width of the widest part, looking at the diameter. And I don't know where that 20 comes from. The rim, measure this rim. It's 16 inches. 3.5 on the thickness of the tire. But these tires are also designed to go on rims that might not be as fat as these. So a lot of things to consider when getting tires. But there will be a link in the description should you wish to buy these tires. I am still running a Kendra heavy duty tube in the front because that was the first tire I changed. And then when I put the one on the back, I just put the old stock tube back in there, and I'm still good. And I am at, I never told y'all, did I? I'm at 3,730 miles on the bike. All right, man. Definitely highly recommend it. And if y'all watch any of my videos, y'all know I don't bullshit around, and I'm rather particular and picky on what I like. I like these tires. If I had to replace these tires today, I would order new Shinko 244s. That's it. I could ramble on about how good these are and just take up your time, but links are in the description. Give me a thumbs up. See ya later. Gotta go. That's it. I'm out of here. See you.